have been thinking about you, girl, till my current flowers bloom.
Morning, it's 8:40. I'm editing my contract right now because I put the wrong ID number for my mom's passport. I wore a new pair of heels. I mean, they're not new. I just haven't worn them yet. My feet is like hurting so bad. I dropped by the clinic first just so I could get like band-aids. Pana. Time check, it's 9:54. I have like more than an hour and 26 minutes to be exact to study for my quiz. And so far, I don't know anything. I listened in class and I read through the PowerPoint, but like at the same time, I feel like if I ever get a question later, I'm not gonna be able to answer. So I'm gonna speedrun making a flashcard, and hopefully I get to finish it within like 30 minutes. And then yeah, I'll take you guys with me. Thank you, miss. Number 1, oh. Yay! Bakit ka nandito?
Sino nagsabing fishball to? Fresh ba sila?
Oo.
Mga ano kayo ha?
Show them. Vlog takeover. Guys, alam nyo ba? May kaibigan kami hindi naka-XO Monday. Ay, naka-XO Monday pala siya. Hi, Jam! Alam nyo ba, si Jam, guys, NRX talaga siya dati. Search nyo, NRX Jam, lalabas yung IGN niya. IGN means in-game name, by the way. Say hi, Gin! Vlog takeover! Tingnan mo. Mag-hi ka.
Di ba ako nakapag-edit? Nasa 80
Bakit pala ng buko today? Magpapagupit na ako.
Hindi ka mabango today, ganun.
No?
Siyempre. Siyempre, papakita ko sa yung video.
Guys, huwag kayo masyado maniniwala sa kaplastikan namin dito sa vlog ni Toot!
Wala akong magamit eh.
I have bonbons from Get Review. My flashcards. Say hi to Angeline Hong. Hello. Bongbong.
Dapat ay Weirdos with weird humor. Okay, today humor.
Belgrade. Oh my. The quiz is open. Woo!
Flowers. Bawal ba yun?
Hindi naman, pero PG kasi ako eh. Not patay gutom, by the way.
Or
Ano yung IG ni Lia?
elik na. Ha?
Whatever that is. I will plug her.
E-L-I-Q-N-A. Since November, hindi ko to kinakagat.
Dapat ba matuwa ka?
Hindi ka na nagkakaroon.
Congrats.
Kasi nilalagyan niya ng something. Eh, every time masag...
Para packet
may-
yung lasa
Oo.
kapag ano.
Tsaka inibordan yan ni Lia.
I'm on the way to Torre because all of my friends have org. So, I'm alone. Thank God. Thank God for Sam. I'm like super hungry because I woke up 3:30, 3:20 something. But then I started working like probably 3:45 or like 4. So this is so crazy. Like I feel so alone. No joke lang. It's fine. But I'm usually super madaldal whenever I eat with people. Oh my gosh, my sleeves. Yeah. And I really like eating with others. So, I feel I don't really feel lonely. Yeah. Wala lang, I'm just clingy. Why ba? Life update. It's 2:30. I don't wanna come to class! Can I just stay here forever? Like, I feel like every college person would relate to this. Like, imagine having such a long break. And then, like, you lie down somewhere. And all of a sudden, you don't want to come to class anymore. But I'm gonna stand up. Because I need to go to class. Okay, for context also, the reason why I'm wearing like formal attire today is because it's the first Monday of the month, which means everyone in like my course, SDG, everyone has to wear formal. I don't want to go to class!
It depends on it's
Time check, it's 7:51. I decided to walk, but then I made some people na ages, so I'm like, kind of regretting, but it's fine. I'll get there earlier because it's so hot.
Control Shift T.
Uy, go. Di bakit nagganyan?
Sorry, akala ko ano! Lumaong guys! At least nationalistic! What BRICS wants to do is to, despite like, the diversity in their domestic government structures, have the shared interest of reshaping the power dynamics, hence the existence or the establishment of the absolute gains, which in this sense is shifting the hegemonic powers against the rigged global order that is being controlled by the US and the IOs that are...
Kainggit.
What the?
Ano yun? Di ba't may studies?
26
Guys, bili na kayo. Pumain na lang. 2025. Pumain na lang po.
Hi, vlog. It's me again.
Always. Ay, tara. 10:42. We're gonna meet Zaf. So we're gonna color our hair. Zifra. Excuse me po. Bro. Oh my gosh, thank you. You're so sweet. Ayoko. We're here to buy pang color. So when I color my hair, Zef also.
Sa'yo pa ulit-ulit.
Anong bibilhan? Of course.
Okay. Tingnan mo to. Tingnan mo yung sa'yo. Sorry, kalbo.
Plastic.
Toro family. Doon sa door.
Tsaka aircon.
May electric fan na. Malaki. Nangig din kasi ako.
DQ yung kanya. Sabi, scramble. Guys, hindi na siya nag-TikTok. Yung may hawak ng
Di ka mawawala. Di magiging sa'yo yung parang sa street. No, no.
So, first. Ang bago naman ang ato na to. Ang ano niya. Ange, maligo ka kasi. Wow. Hala.
Uy, baka mamaya kumapit yung amoy neto sa akin.
Nasa sa'yo na yun. You attract what you are. Yee! Asa na? Parang tao! Sabi, parang namatay naman ako yung blood circulation ko! Anong ka na? Pero hindi. Parang chicken skin. Yung chicken na ano? Yung size ba?
Ito na naman kami. Sorry. Snoopy.
In this angle and in this location. I'm going home really early today. I don't have my 6 to 9 class today. So I am very much free today. I only had one class. So parang I followed my Thursday schedule. Yeah, I just did stuff with the girl. And yeah. Hi. It's 6:19 and I need to leave in like a few minutes because my friends are asking me to go back to TAF so we can go to Fusion Alley. Oh my god. I am rushing so much. Should I bring a bag? It's 6 p.m. which means a lot of people are like leaving. Oh my gosh, my hair! I'm sorry. Like don't mind it na lang, I guess. But yeah. Let me just touch up like real quick. I just changed into this like polo shirt. I retained my pants na lang. I wear shoes because I don't want anyone to like step on me. Oh, I need my alcohol. I need a hair tie. I am walking barefoot. Oh my god. There. What else do I need? Tissue, I have. Hair tie, I have. Okay, that's all. Granny, say hi to my vlog. Hello! Kasama ba? Let's go! Hi, we are at Pedro Hill. Extreme down, this is for you. Kaya nga ako nakagito. Dito ka ba sumama ko? Yung kilikili ko lang. Okay na. Pollution area. Pollution area.
Wala.
Opo.
Dito.
Up.
Di ba pulis yun?
Hindi. Oh my God.
Gabi ko 3 years old na ano.
Hindi mo. Hindi kita. Ay, ano tayo ngayon? Michelin Who? 90 pesos, lasang breading. Oh my God, Dani.
Baby!
Okay. Anak, taste test. Wait, yan mo ba? Ay, taste test? Oo, go.
Hindi ko pa nga maabot yung ano.
Yes.
Grabe.
Ano?
Ito na yung ice. Go. Wala tayong ano dun ah.
Wala pa yung Mario, sorry. Wala pa. Sabay ba? Parang puro
Wala pa. Ako naman. Grabe, alam mo yung nakatingin ako dyan. Sumiinom ako dito. Parang nilalasahan ko yung kami. So, iniinom. 4? Ako na sa pag-fish snack. Wala mo yung kanta? Hello pa. Sorry po. Kanino yun? Hindi ko alam. Kaning sayang na.
Anong stall to? Hindi ko alam. Basta NOP something. Katabi no. Before ako mag-test, just so you know, sobrang taray nung ate. Sobrang taray niya.
Ganito.
Okay. For 15 pesos, 4.5.
4.5. It's good. It's
Wait, sobrang tagal kasi niya eh. Guys, I'm busog na. We got Graham.
Wala namang mango.
Ay, ano lang, normal classic Graham. For 20 pesos.
Rate
Oh,
mo
na, ikaw wala. Out of 5, out of 5. A 5. Wow!
Matik na yun. Pumunta ka kay Dani.
Thanks, babe.
Magkano yan?
Anytime, babe.
Pascalo.
I don't know what this is.
Seafood balls. Alam ko may cheese yan.
Ay! Saya! Ay! Andito na si Hi, Saya! Ano to? How much? 60 pesos?
1, 2, 3. Hi!
Ano yun? Nakala ko ba Hi, Saya?
Hi, Saya! Hi, Saya! May cheese sa loob.
wala ako sa inyo.
Oh. What's the rating?
Out of 5? 4.5. Yummers! Okay, yun na yun.
Funny pa rin talaga. Hindi naman Dami sila nakahawak sa akin.
Kasuntok series ng bata.
Kita ko na sa pin.
We have XLB for 100 pesos. Kita?
Ayun, doon sila. Ayun. Likod. Punta Gin, likod mo. Gin, likod mo, Gin. Dito kami, nakataas kamay ko, Gin. Gin, sa may...
Oh my God! It's so sweet.
Yeah. Naumay ako dyan.
You should have warned me. Super.
As in. Sweet tas laba.
Ay.
Ako na sa... Uy, kinain niyo yan ng mainit.
Hindi.
Okay na? Ay! Parang chocolate na tinunaw. Ano ba?
Yeah, super sweet.
Dito ka. Kagat ka? Yeah.
Na parang... Oh, my rating.
Sorry.
3 out of 5.
Naman. Ikaw, Gin, what's your favorite so far? Ikaw. Ah!
Ay, yes.
Sinibili na ako ngayon.
Out of 5. Ano yun?
Okay lang.
Ito yung isa nag-headbang, yung isa okay lang.
I'd give it 2.
2? Like, after you bang your head like that?
It's a bad thing.
Oh my gosh, I look super duper haggard, but it's 11 something. I'm barely home. I have school tomorrow.
Meron to sa shop?
Meron naman ata.
Nico, pares na tayo ng color.
Hindi.
Whatever.
Grabe. Parang I didn't get the assignment.
Kaya nga, may mag-pick you sa'yo. Malapit na, pwede na.
I didn't get the assignment, guys. Speech pala dapat.
Oo.
May mga style, may mga approaches sila. And all, of course, all of them, always dependent foreign policy.
So, pwede ba mag-Egypt tayo? It's not yet too late. No! Yay! So cute!
Grabe. Sobrang mura.
Hindi ko may imagine susunod na college point tayo? Mommy, you're tambay in that room, but then they're transforming it into a hotel room now. Yeah, di ba that one? Walang class always. Meron ng 2 beds ngayon. It's 240. Square lunch.
Security, no?
We're done!
We're done.
OT!
Ang sinabi ni Sean, yung mga tao,
has no central theory. They only have concepts, ideas, many of which
ng decision-making process, sobrang bagal lang.
Where do we go sa Let's go Binondo. Intra. I wanna gala. No, somewhere naman na. Hindi pa namin. Uy, ano ba, Nikki? Where do we go? Wash na tayo. Pagtagala tayo. We got this bus like 30 minutes early, so we're gonna go Intramuros and then food trip later. Okay, I wanna go Binondo, but like we'll see. Where are we going, Zen? Cute ko naman, parang kung may green screen. Ito. Ka-color scheme na yun. Guys, bakit ba siya nag-viral? Awan ko. Chicken. Beef.
Akala ko pinaknet ka. Sayang. Smile ka for me.
Ikaw yun sa ano. Mas wala na. Ito nga kayo. Ito kayo.
Tapos si curve niyo pa.
Ay, awa na lang. Awa na lang.
Huwag mo na kayo tumawa. Parang ayaw ni Bash maganon. Ganito naman tayo. Oh, sige. Let's go. Let's go. Grabe upuan ko yung mga... Game. 1, 2, 3. Ba't nandito ginagawa sa sarili natin? Ayoko na. Not dance. Wag lang. Dali, check mo. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. Age. Dito mag-food trip. Dora the Explorer. My interview is starting in like 6 minutes and I'm nervous. I'm not the type to get nervous like for interviews, but like I just feel nervous. Working lunch because we're gonna have crisis later this afternoon. Delegate moving forward with the delegate of the Russian Federation. You now have the floor.
A failing business. So, if naging desperate siya to use AI to save his career.
May mali lang.
Okay ba kayo?
Nag-grocery. Kuya Ryan, gusto daw ni Ange ng fries.
Fries.
Papanood na ng fries.
Sulat na lang din po lang.
You're not in my dub, that's why you don't know.
I have a dump, but I don't really use it.
I don't use IG at all. I just posted last night just to promote my video.
I miss first term me. I used to be so foggy.
I'm so tired. Obviously, look at me. I am tired as well. Today has been a lot. Like, oh my gosh. Whatever. At least we're done for the week. Magnet. Ref magnet. Siya mo? Cotton buds? I don't know, somewhere in Glorieta. We're at Landmark doing Caldero shopping. It's so cute though. So small. Which one's smaller, my face or the pad? Your face. Buying things for hot pot. I want fried, oh, not fried, cheese. Cheese scallops. Check them out. Got French baker. We got baguette. Oui, baguette. There's so many people though. I feel like I'm learning how to be a bit more shameless in terms of filming. That's a huge improvement for like the third video. We're at Apo right now. Guys, I'm at Chaji right now and there's so much people right now. I got milk tea. Got two. Because I didn't want to line up. I got the HP snow cap. Hey guys, it's around 7 p.m. We got Chaji! Chaji! I love Chaji. I miss Chaji. We're going One Ayala. Just for bench. The most impulsive buyer in town. But did we go here for? No. So yeah. We were paying tapos bumili pa siya neto. Osmanthus. This is also stock up. And then I have my DHP.